What up, this your girl Mello.
What's up with the Kung Fu Panda? Everything good?
People that use my name to blow up, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, damn.
What? Using your name? What they doing that for?
Yeah, they using my name because I'm popular and I'm famous.
No, they didn't. They better stop that. Where you famous at?
I'm YouTube family. YouTube famous. YouTube family. Famous.
Oh, okay. So how you feel about that?
Back then, I want nothing. Now they all on me. They want to use my name. Mello who? Mello who?
Please don't do no bullshit.
Back then, I was nobody. Now they all own me since I'm popular. Yeah, that's what it is. They want to use my name. Young Mellahu. Young Mellahu. Yeah, they all own me.
Well, maybe you can work out a deal or something. You let them use your name. They let you use a brush.
They all want to use my name. Young Mellow. Young Mellow this. Young Mellow this. Young Mellow this. Young Mellow.
Didn't you have that shirt on in your last video? That must be your video gown.
Young Mellow. Young Mellow. Young Mellow. Young Mellow. Young Mellow. They all own me.
Okay, so who you feel like is all on you?
I got every sexy girls will be on my pussy. Sexy miss be on my pussy. You know what I'm saying?